These were jeans this morning.
It works.
On this episode of Doing the Most, it's Crispy Boi Summer, and we are drinking the Grapeful Dead.
Crispy Boi Summer, you can bet I'm a stunner. Crack a cold one, no bummer. It's a Crispy Boi Summer.
Welcome to Doing the Most. I'm Nicole. This is BC. Friends call him BC.
Enemies also call me BC.
Yeah, I'm with it. We're doing this. We're gonna taste some refreshers.
We are now firmly foot in fall, unfortunately.
You didn't tell me it was Crispy Boi Summer. I'm getting that brand new, and it's making me giggle. Sorry.
Just wait until you see the intro. So Nicole and I are going to taste the Grapeful Dead. She literally named it right before we started recording. But before we taste it, I think it's important to show folks how it's made.
This is a kind of unusual recipe, but just follow along with me. We start with a pound of honey in our fermenter, and we add in 1 gram of wine tannin, and then 64 ounces, which is a half a gallon, of white grape juice. Give that a good shake to combine. And then we'll top it up to the 1 gallon mark with the rest of our water. We're putting in 1 teaspoon of Fermade O yeast nutrient, as well as 1 whole packet of wine yeast. Then we'll put that under airlock and let it ferment. And in about 2 weeks, it should be done. So in the meantime, zest 2 mandarins, and that zest will go into secondary. I just freeze mine until it's time to use it. Once fermentation is done, and we have confirmed that with several consistent hydrometer readings, it's time to get it racked over, and we're adding 8 ounces of erythritol, which is a non-fermentable sweetener, so the yeast can't eat it. And then we add our zest, and I grated that zest with a rasp, so it's very fine zest. Give that a quick stir to combine, just gently stirring, and then we'll let that clear up. Once it's clear, we'll be bottling, and we're bottling on top of 1 teaspoon of table sugar per 12-ounce bottle. And this will be eaten by the yeast, and so that means you will have carbonation trapped inside the bottles, giving you a sweet, sparkling beverage. So just bottle away, get those sealed up with crown caps to hold in the pressure, and in 4 to 6 weeks, you should have a nice, sparkling session mead.
So that's how it's made. This is one of the easier recipes in this series. So this is sparkling, it's light, refreshing. So I'm gonna pour us up a couple of glasses, and what I would like you to do is explain to the audience at home how meaningful it is when they give their support, their financial support to Doing the Most by becoming a YouTube member or a patron or by purchasing a copy of my mead book.
What we've got going on here is some good stuff. As BC said, he's busy. He's doing the things. So, doing the most things. So, we need the support. That's the only way that we can keep making all of these great meads and enjoying them on a Crispy Boi Summer.
Crispy Boi Summer.
What? Okay. Ooh, I'm already appreciating the sparkle. Very nice. You see that? Oh, I'm really liking the carbonation.
Yeah, all right.
All right. Cheers?
Yeah.
Let's see. Ooh, the grape kind of comes at the end. Like I was waiting for it, and then it kind of sparkles on the tongue. Okay, no, I'm not mad at this. It's actually very light. It is crispy. Hang on. Yeah, this is a sit outside in the shade. It's nice and cool. And the grape comes at the end. Is that supposed to happen?
You are correct. There's like, it drinks down like a session mead, and then you exhale, and you get that like juice box grape juice.
Juice box.
I mean, it's winey. Don't get me wrong. But it's not like, it's more Pinot than it is Chardonnay. But it's got a little bit of that funky Prosecco brute kind of character. A little
bit of there's a little weight to it. Like I don't want to make it sound like you can't drink it outside on a nice summer day. But it does have a little bit of a heaviness to it that lets you know you're gonna have a good time.
Oh, like the alcohol.
Yes.
Is thought maybe you thought it was like viscous or chewy, you know, something.
It's an alcoholic drink. And I think that it works.
What I wanted to do with this one is show that you can do something really light, really refreshing and satisfying with kind of a bare minimum of ingredients.
Yeah.
You get something that is, I mean, I think honestly better than a lot of stuff that you might get store bought.
Oh, for sure. And I was thinking it's not heavy in the sense that like I'm in a dark room, like drinking a bourbon to drown my sorrows. I mean, the lightness of this is quite nice, and the fizz makes it fun. But it's not like a sweet sorority girl drink, Like it's not like so sweet that you're gonna throw it up and hate your life.
Thank you again, Nicole, for coming and tasting this. If you have not yet, join my Discord server. It's at discord.doingthemost.org. And like, comment, subscribe, yada, yada, yada. Make sure you hit that subscribe button underneath this video. Ring that notification bell so you don't miss any upcoming content from us here at Doing the Most. We still have a few more crispy session meads to bring you. And Nicole's going to be tasting another one of those coming up shortly.
Yeah, I need to put this down and be ready for the next.
Until next time, happy brewing and cheers.
Homemade brews and various how-tos, everything from mead to roast, bake creation, fermentation, inebriation, doing the most.